Want more control over your repeater layout? Different widths and image proportions create a dynamic look. Start with a repeater that already has content inside. In this case, it's connected to the CMS. The images we've chosen for this repeater have different proportions, and you'll see how that affects the layout in a moment. Select the image and set the display mode to keep image ratio. Now the item height is driven by the image's natural proportions. Next, let's control the width. Since it's based on the title length, set the text element's responsive behavior to hug. If the text is inside a stack, set the stack's width to max content. Make sure set items per row is turned off in the repeater settings. Finally, set the repeater item's width to max content as well. And that's it. You've created a more intricate repeater design.